Are you ready to transform a plain doll into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece? No. Stick around because today I'm showing you how to customize dolls like a pro. No experience needed. With that said, Stacy has grown up on us over the years. Time for the fun part. Is repainting. If you guys could see here on camera, that there's like a small factory defect on her mouth. And I'm going to be adding a few details to her eyebrows, and that's about it. Acrylic paint together with Mod Podge. I'll grab that in a minute because I forgot to grab it. And to remove the paint, I'm going to be using 100% pure acetone Mod Podge, glossy one. So what I'm going to do is mix the paint with the Mod Podge, remove the paint on the doll's face. I'm going to zoom in real quick. So, can you guys see that? No. Right there on her face? Yeah. It's not a pretty picture, so gonna fix that. Move for... Okay, so I'm gonna dip this Q-tip here in acetone. And I'm gonna remove her lipstick. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix the paint colors together. And I'm gonna repaint her mouth. Back in a minute. So the paint colors I'm going to be using is Velvet Crush, White, and Peach. Well, light coral actually, but you get the point. It's the same thing. Now I'm going to be mixing those three colors together, and I'm going to repaint her lips first, and then actually I think I might repaint her teeth first, and then her lip color, because that might be a little bit easier to do. Back in a minute. So I'm going to try to paint her teeth on camera, and if I can get it on camera, and I'll get it off camera of paint. Like literally no more than that. Go out of frame for a few minutes, don't judge me. Yeah, not the neatest paint job, I know, but I'll clean it up off camera. I'm gonna try to repaint lips now, so if they're not perfect, don't judge me. I'm not perfect at repainting dolls, you guys. Okay guys, so I tried to repaint her lips. You guys can clearly see it's not perfect, but it's about as good as I can get it. Yeah, I'll try to fix it up a little bit more off camera. So now I'm going to start working on her eyebrows. And the back, so this is the black paint I'm going to be using and Mod Podge together. Okay, not sure if you guys could tell or not, but I did a little bit of a paint job. In the eyebrows, off camera. Yeah, that's about as good as I could get her eyebrows. I did slip a little bit on the right one, but who's gonna see it anyways besides me and you guys? Here's the doll's full face. Hope you guys like it. Her eyes, I'm gonna put a small layer of Mod Podge over her eyes just to give them a little bit of a shine. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Be back in a minute. Okay, so back to the paint palette. A Mod Podge right here, and I'm just gonna literally paint it over the doll's eyes. I know it might look like she's like possessed. Yeah, that looks like a total mess and a crime scene. And repeat this step for the second eye. Here are both eyes finished. Just let that dry, and yeah, the doll's pretty much done. I know she looks kind of creepy right now, but it'll look a lot better when the face is dried. Trust me. That's about it for today's makeover. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just give me 1 minute and I'll be right back. Wait, hold on a minute, guys. Wait, Red, what are you doing on your computer? Huh? Oh, nothing. I was just booking a hair appointment so I could dye my hair black so I could look like you. And with that said, Wolfpack, so if you guys haven't joined the Wolfpack yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button if you want to see Red with black hair. And if you want to see me turn her into my mini-me Barbie doll. Said, guys, now, if you enjoyed this crafting video, DIY doll video is what I meant to say. Alright, I get tongue-tied from time to time. No, don't judge me. I'm sure everybody gets tongue-tied from time to time. With everything being said, you guys, thank you guys for me today. So, I made a teenage Stacy doll. If you guys want to see me turn Red into my mini-me, so join the Wolfpack and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye. Knocking stuff over as usual. See you guys in my next video. Bye.